Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best steam cleaners is probably one of the most versatile and powerful cleaning tools you can add to your arsenal, capable of tackling everything from stubborn grease and grime on your stovetop to sanitizing surfaces throughout your home without the need for harsh chemicals, making it an eco-friendly and effective solution for a spotless living space. Number 5. PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Introducing the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop, your ultimate solution for a sparkling clean home. It harnesses the natural power of steam for effective cleaning. Clean with confidence knowing it's chemical-free and safe for homes with children and pets. Enjoy a healthier living environment without harsh chemicals. Get ready to clean in no time. It heats up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for quickly tackling various floor types like tile, hardwood, and laminate. Detach the handheld unit for more than just floors. Use it to refresh clothes, clean upholstery, and easily remove wrinkles from fabrics. Cleaning is a breeze with its lightweight design and swivel mop head that reaches every corner. The handle also collapses for convenient storage. This versatile cleaner comes with a wide array of accessories, including brushes, nozzles, a scraper, and microfiber cloths, to tackle any cleaning task. What we like? This one is perfect for homes with children and pets, offering chemical-free cleaning. If you're looking for a versatile tool that can handle both floors and fabrics, this is a great choice. Its detachable handheld steamer makes it ideal for quick touch-ups on clothes or upholstery. What people say. This steam cleaner is very effective at removing tough grime and stains from various surfaces. The design is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it convenient for cleaning different areas of the house. It comes with multiple attachments that allow for targeted cleaning of grout, windows, and upholstery. Number 4. Waitbird Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. Experience the power of high-temperature steam, reaching up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. It's designed for a thorough 360 degrees clean, tackling stains on various surfaces without missing a spot. This device comes with 21 multifunctional accessories. They are specifically designed to meet all your daily cleaning needs, from floors to cars. With a generous 1.08L water tank, it heats up in under 5 minutes. Enjoy up to 45 minutes of continuous steam for extended cleaning sessions. Operating it is simple, with options for continuous steam and a safety lock. It also features a child safety lock and auto shutdown for your peace of mind. This cleaner is perfect for almost any surface in your life. Use it on tiles, grout, windows, grills, and even your car for a chemical-free clean. Achieve a spotless home without harsh chemicals. It provides a safe and effective cleaning solution for you and your family. What we like? With a powerful 248 degrees Fahrenheit steam and a large 1.08L tank, this cleaner offers up to 45 minutes of continuous cleaning. If you have a larger home or need to tackle extensive cleaning tasks, this model's capacity and numerous accessories make it a comprehensive solution. It's designed for thorough cleaning without dead corners. What people say. It is a powerful steam cleaner that can tackle tough grime. The steam cleaner comes with multiple attachments for different cleaning tasks. The design is compact and easy to store. Number 3. Handheld Steam Cleaner for Home Cleaning. Tackle the everyday messes in your bathroom and kitchen with ease. This device is perfect for grout lines, stovetops, and sink basins, letting you aim steam precisely where needed. Experience the power of high-temperature steam that lifts build-up effortlessly. It heats up in just 3 minutes, delivering pressurized steam to soften grime so you can simply wipe it away. Clean your home without harsh chemicals. This water-only cleaner is safer for busy households, featuring a safety lock and pressure release cap for controlled use. Replace multiple cleaning tools with this versatile device. It comes with 10 attachments for targeted cleaning of edges, corners, grout, glass, and more. Designed for real homes, it features a 380 milliliters tank and a 9.8-foot cord for ample reach. Easily move around your kitchen and bathroom without constant outlet changes. This is the easy-to-grab cleaner you'll use often for quick wins. Keep your kitchen and bathroom in a just-cleaned zone more frequently with this simple, lightweight device. What we like? This is your go-to for targeted cleaning in bathrooms and kitchens, tackling grout lines and stovetops with ease. If you appreciate a quick reset for high-use areas without harsh chemicals, this handheld steamer is ideal. Its design focuses on making frequent, small cleaning tasks effortless. What people say. The steam cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime from various surfaces. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The multiple attachments included allow for versatile cleaning of different areas, from floors to grout. Number 2. Experience deep cleaning power with high-pressure steam. It effectively tackles grease and grime for a spotless home. Clean with confidence using only the power of steam. It's a safe and eco-friendly choice for families with children and pets. Get ready to clean in just 3 to 5 minutes. Simply add water and press the trigger for instant steam. This versatile tool comes with 11 attachments to clean any surface. Reach tight corners, windows, and upholstery with ease. Refresh your entire home, from kitchen stovetops to car interiors. It's perfect for fabric, hard surfaces, and tight spaces. Its compact, handheld design and long cord make cleaning easy. Take it anywhere for quick touch-ups or deep cleaning sessions. What we like. Experience deep cleaning with powerful 3.0 bar pressure, perfect for tackling grease and grime. If you need a portable yet powerful solution for various surfaces including cars and furniture, this lightweight option is ready to go. Its ease of use and included attachments make it a versatile choice for on-the-go cleaning. What people say. It is a powerful steam cleaner that effectively removes dirt and grime from various surfaces. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around the house. It comes with multiple attachments that allow for versatile cleaning of different areas, such as grout, windows, and upholstery. Number 1. Handheld Pressurized Multi-Surface Steam Cleaner. Introducing our multi-purpose steam cleaner, designed to simplify your chores. It's perfect for tackling various hard surfaces around your home. Experience the power of 1,200 watts, generating high-pressure steam to effortlessly cut through stubborn grease, grout, and grime. With a large 350 milliliters tank, it provides continuous steam for 8 to 15 minutes, allowing you to reach every corner and remove tough stains. Clean naturally with just water, ensuring a 100% chemical-free experience without harmful fumes or residue. A safety cap provides extra protection. This superheated steamer is not only efficient but also incredibly mobile. Easily carry it from room to room, even up and down stairs, thanks to its lightweight design and long power cord. Equipped with 11 accessories, it tackles grease and grime on tiles, sinks, stoves, bathrooms, fabrics, windows, and more. Clean every area of your home with this one versatile tool. What we like. This powerful 1,200 watt steamer generates high-pressure steam, ideal for stubborn grease and dirt on hard surfaces. If you're looking for an efficient and mobile cleaner that can handle everything from floors to fabric, this is a solid choice. Its large tank provides extended steam time for tackling multiple areas. What people say. The steam cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime from various surfaces. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The variety of attachments included allows for cleaning different areas like grout, windows, and upholstery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.